Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sound and vibration. Here you will see the first section with the silent mode. Just to activate silent mode, click once on the switcher, and to turn it off, click once again on the switcher, and that's it. So as can you see, when the silent mode is activated, the ringtones and notifications, they are muted. So also we can do it by this way. Just mute the ringtone volume panel here, and you can see that the silent mode is turned on. To turn it off, once again activate the ringtone volume. So also get the second way how we can do that. Just first you should press your up or down volume button, doesn't matter, and then just click here once on this bell icon, and by this way you will activate also the silent mode. Just to turn it off, by the same way, click once again on this bell icon, and you will just turn off the silent mode, and all of your ringtones and the notifications, they will ring. And the third way, just open the notification panel, and here you will see the silent mode icon in this top bar. Activate silent mode. Just to activate it, click once on this icon. To turn it off, click on the icon again, and by this way you can turn on or turn off silent mode on your Oppo Reno 7. Here you can see the three different ways, so you can choose one method for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.